document my hiccups, Dad?
Hey, buddy. Well, you're awful awake, aren't you?
Oh, bless you.
You gotta work on that sneeze a little bit. Yeah.
That surprised me, too. What was that, Cole? Huh? Ooh. Oh, here comes the hiccups
No, I'm
back.
doing it all tonight. Sneezing and hiccuping.
He spit up through his nose yet last night.
Oh, that's talent.
Shot a nice little rocket.
That's talent. We knew you could do it, Cole.
Shoo.
That was weird.
We knew you could do
Usually
it.
it has like the end.
Man, you're just moving all around, aren't you? Yeah. Working out all those muscles.
That was a very good episode.
It seemed like nothing happened really.
I know.
Because they're gone. Oh, here they come.
Oh, yeah, back with a vengeance.